So till now we have discussed regarding mean, median, quartiles, deciles and percentiles. Now we are going to discuss about mode. In mode, same as whatever we have done in earlier in mean, median, quartiles and decile problems. Question form is of three types. One is individual series, second one is discrete series, and the third one is continuous series. In mode also we find all the three types of questions. As you know, the individual series means single values questions which has only serial numbers or individual values given to us. Ungrouped data we can say, which doesn't have any table at all. If at all table is there, in first line they will give you serial numbers, rule numbers or any alphabetical numbers. That is individual series. In discrete series you will be having two types of values. First value, single values are there, second frequency will be given to you. So in first line we will consider xi to the first line, fi to second line. That type of questions are discrete series questions. In continuous series you find class interval frequency. Apart from this, one more type is there that we will discuss after completion of mode. If question is not in order, that means sometimes class intervals are not in order. 0 to 10 will be given to you, 10 to 30 will be given to you, then 30 to 45 is given to you. At that time, how to arrange the values, how to arrange the classes and all will be there. How to arrange, I will explain you the process of arranging it. And sometimes the question is in less than form, sometimes the question is in more than form. Total 5 types of different forms are there of that questions. How to create a class interval and frequency. How to change the question which is given in different order into standard form. That means this one, continuous series, 0 to 10, 10 to 20 in that way. Now in mode, individual series, what you should remember, mode is equals to mostly repeated value. See, in the previous topic, median, what we have to do for individual series, we have to arrange the question in ascending order. Then we can write median is equals to size of n plus 1 by 2 observation and all. For discrete series, median, what we used to do? Size of n plus 1 by 2 observation. But here in mode, by observation, that's all. For continuous series, we will be having one formula, mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 into H divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. This is the question. This is a formula to do questions of continuous series. Individual series, formula for mode is equals to mostly repeated value. How to do, we will discuss after this. For discrete series, mode is equals to by observation. How to observe, that also I'll show. For continuous series, mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 into H divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. You can write this H outside the bracket also, or if you are writing inside, make this 2 written in bracket. Now in the denominator, 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2. How to read out this one? Mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 into H divided by, don't say whole divided by, only divided by is there for these two. L is separated with that one. 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 in the denominator. Now in this question, find mode 371, some values are given to you. So this will be individual series. This is an individual series directly by saying You should remember formula. Recall the formula for individual series what I have given to you earlier just now. Find mode. For mode, individual series questions, we have to write mode is equals to mostly repeated value. So mostly repeated value is which one? 3 repeated 3 times. 7 is repeated 2 times. So we can consider only 3 as, because 3 is repeated 3 times. So mode is 3. Whereas if 7 is repeated 3 times, that time both values are considered as mode. If we find single repeated value, that is unimodal. Now mode is equals to mostly repeated values are, because we find only 3 is repeated 3 times, other values are not repeated 3 times, that's why we have considered this one as this one. Now 4, 4, 4, 3 times, okay, we'll add one more 4, 1 more, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is repeated 4 times. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is also repeated 4 times. So we can say that mostly repeated values are 2 and 4. Therefore, mode is equals to 2 and 4. This is known to be bimodal data. Okay, this is individual series. So if you have not understood, repeat the video 1, 2, 3 times, you can get easily. So this is the question, find mode. See, by seeing the question, you may not find always find mode, you may find mean. Suppose if find mean is given and this type of question given, you should know the process of solving mean discrete series problems. Xi, Fi, Fi into Xi, then multiplying, then so on. If median is given, you should know the process Xi, Fi and Cf, then size of n plus 1 by 2 observation. If you are doing mode, you should know the process of mode. For mode, what we have to do is by observation. Mode is equals to 6. How? What you should observe is highest frequency. We should observe the highest frequency, and whatever corresponding value of highest frequency is there, that is considered to be mode. Now you may get one question that if the value is repeated 2 times, what we should do? Highest value is repeated 2 times. What we should do? That time we have to form grouping table, analysis table, and we have to find mode. That also we'll discuss. If single value is highest, by observation mode we can find.